This 2023 Dynamax Corp Isata 530FW is a Super CRV. It is located in Liberty Lake, Washington, 99016 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Liberty Lake. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dynamax Corp and features a Driftwood II Cabinetry-CARBON interior, sleeps 6, Slideout. The floor plan layout of this Super C features Bunk Over Cab, outdoor entertainment. This 2023 Dynamax Corp Isata 530FW is built on a Ram 5500 SLT chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.